Hi guys, Spartan 765. Today I'm showing y'all how to take apart the Remington 870. First step is push the slide back halfway. Take off the barrel nut. Pull the barrel off. Then you're going to push on the cartridge retainer like that in there. Take it off. And there. Then you're going to push here. There.